Hey, and welcome to this new video. We will be doing our first commit. So you remember our new repository that we created with linked with GitHub. So let's just open the page here. Now we will create just a readme file inside the demo repository. So we will go to the demo repository, and as we see it's master, that means it's linked with GitHub repository, it's initialized. So let's create a file with command line touch, and after that the name of the file, it's readme.amd. Yeah, it's created. And to open it in some code editor, for me I choose VS Code. So and to open it with VS Code, we just short command code space and after that dot, and it will be opened in VS Code. We hit enter, and as we see it's opened in VS Code. So let's just make it simple. Let's just create a hello world. We save it, and now we see the status of this repository. So git status, and as we see it tells us that we are on branch master, and there is a file that it's updated or modified its name, it's a readme file, and we are not committed anything yet. So now we are in the working area, so we need to go to the staging area, and to do that we will write command git add, and after that name of the file. In this case it's a readme file. Now we are in the staging area. Let's again check the status. Yeah, now we see that the color here, it's green, it's not red as before. So now we are in the staging area, and now we need to commit or to validate our work, so that can we be in the on the local repository. And to do that we need to do it by the command git commit. We can just make it that way and hit enter, or we can add some comment. And to do that we will add -m, and we will, for example, our first commit. Yeah, and to make it just like that, and after that we hit enter. And now we see that we are committed. So now if we check the status, now we working truly clean, that's me, and there are nothing to commit. And now in this area, local repository, and with this message here, nothing to commit and work truly clean, now we can push our code to the remote repository of GitHub. This is all for this video, and see you in the next video.